Bring your ideas to life with CostyCNC. The CostyCNC is the ideal polystyrene cutting machine for those new to the world of CNC. Thanks to its intuitive design, even beginners can create amazing projects. But that's not all, its precision and reliability make it a valuable tool for professionals too. From custom signs to 3D models, the possibilities are endless. Want to learn how to use a CNC machine? The CostyCNC is the perfect starting point. With this machine, you can learn the basics of CNC and create your first projects. But that's not all. The CostyCNC is a professional tool that can meet the needs of even the most demanding users.
CostyCNC is not only a sturdy and affordable machine, but it also comes with user-friendly software. Even beginners can easily create cutting paths by simply typing the desired name on the CostyCNC website. Once the path is generated, just press the Start button to begin cutting. If you're unsure, you can find the machine on eBay by searching for CostyCNC polystyrene. We're here to answer any questions you may have. The CostyCNC is a versatile machine that is both affordable and easy to use. Its intuitive software allows you to transform your ideas into reality in no time. Simply enter your desired design on the CostyCNC website and let the machine do the rest. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, CostyCNC is the perfect tool for your projects. Check out our products on eBay. With CostyCNC, cutting polystyrene has never been easier. Our intuitive software allows you to quickly generate cutting paths, and our robust machines deliver precise results every time. Simply enter your design online, press Start, and watch your project come to life. Find your perfect CostyCNC on eBay today.